Friends, all of us, first of all, I would like say you good morning because in morning time, daily by daily, I make video. Friends, today my topic will be how much importance time. Do you know? Some people's know about this. The time is how much importance. Some people's know about this, and many people's don't know about this. That how much importance time. Friends, today whatever I have knowledge about this, today I will tell you. Please you listen care. What is clear the time and what kind of we should shape the time. And our time how will not happen ruin. Yeah. So friends, today I will tell you. Friends and bro, please you understand this matter. You are living, you are living in this world, and your time is very important things. So friends, again by again I'm saying you don't waste time. Who peoples don't know about 1 hours, who peoples don't know about 1 hours, that you understand please, he is not live, he has he has become death for life for future. So for future how much importance the time, please you understand this. Your time is very important for future. You know, in some time our mind says, oh no, in now we have more time, we have lot of time, I will study tomorrow. Again tomorrow comes, we speak, I will complete that tomorrow. But we don't say this matter that tomorrow as work, today I will do this that. In like this matter we are not thinking. So friends, if you want if you want to do something in the future, so friends, for that your time is very important things. And only 1 minute to 1 minute you save, automatic your time 1 hours automatic will be saved. So you have to try 1 minute what kind of I will save 1 minute. Automatic your time will be saved. But you have to think that 1 minute I have to save. After that 1 hours automatic will be saved. And you are saying we have nothing, we have no work, so I waste time. But friends, you tell me if in this is social media, and so in a special I am saying for Muslim, you are saying that we have no time, but and you are wasting time, but you have no time for Muslims prayer, you have no time for going to mosque, but you are wasting another place time, but you have no time for going to mosque. It is not right matter. Remember what I'm saying. So friends, today I have to say you and I want explain you. Okay, please you save your time, and one day one day you will get success. Yeah. For success, the time is very important things. And what kind of our time will be saved? Friends, you think about that. And some peoples already you have seen, especially there are local area. Yeah, there are local area. Many peoples you have seen roadside seated, and any flash matter is speaking. Yeah, some people is speaking about any with any peoples. Some people is backbite with any peoples. Yeah, that peoples is not right. That people is not good work, and that peoples is like this. But in there are no any work. Every time they waste time, and that in like this we should not do this. Please, you can go to market area. You can go to city area. What kind of they are living? Yeah, his life. What kind of is going on? Please, you can imagine. And if you went anytime the city area, that you can now. Otherwise, you did not go to city area. So friends, please I explain you. You go to, and please you see, and how many peoples you will get roadside for seated, that each other, yeah, they are gossip. This is not right matter. If you have no work, please you live at home, that any evil's work, evil's matter, you will save. Yeah. Any backbites matter, any insults matter, you will save in them. But we don't know about this. We have power, we have strong things, who peoples can't do whatever things. In first of all, I will speak about that. Do you know we backbite that peoples who peoples is going to ahead, who peoples is going to ahead, who peoples is going to increase, that peoples I backbite with them. But this is not right things, friends. That God is saying, please you don't alliance with each other. Otherwise, if you alliance each other, that it means you want fight with me. I am not saying, God is saying. So we should not alliance each other. As far as you have power, please you help each other. Yeah. So friends, I have to say you, in what kind of your time, please you use that well. You don't your time, please you don't use in evil work. Yeah. And please your time you don't use that backbite. And this is real matter. This is not right things. That's some will say you that people is right. Any peoples he will not backbite each other. Yeah. So friends, as far as minds come to knowledge, I explain you whatever matters will be right, please you follow that. Whatever matter will be wrong, mistake, please you left that. I am not saying you go on with my matter. You took my matter. I am not saying. Whatever whatever matter you will be right, please you took, otherwise you can left this. So friends, in some time, in this time I am practice, and my channel name is subscribe. My channel name is Yadi English Speech. Friends, you subscribe my channel, and I am saying this matter also, that whatever my English will be improved. We have no more knowledge, but daily by daily I am trying. That's what kind of our English will be improved. For that I am trying. So one day my heart is saying your English will be improved, and my especially friends and my especially web help me, and any nets help me. That's I use that. That one day in will be improved in these things. I know better. So friends, as far as my minds come to knowledge, I want to say you that in like this, if you want to learn English in like this, whatever I am doing, same way you have to do this. Yeah, in this is real things in daily by daily. You have to read, and you have to practice, and you have to writing. And these things is very important things. So friends, I have to say you please you improve, and as far as you have time, please you don't, you will work. And today my topic was what kind of we life, what kind of our life in have to go on, and what kind of our time you have to use this. Today I am telling you. Today I was telling you, friends, and whatever I spoken mistake, friends, for that you want apologize. Please forgive me.